Welcome to our guide on PLA versus ABS 3D printer filaments. In this video, we'll be discussing the strengths and weaknesses of PLA and ABS filament materials, as well as their applications in 3D printing. So let's get started. PLA stands for polylactic acid, which is a biodegradable thermoplastic derived from renewable resources such as cornstarch or sugarcane. PLA filament is great for 3D printing due to its easy printability and low melting temperature. It also produces objects with a high level of detail, making it ideal for creating intricate models and shapes. Additionally, PLA is biodegradable, so it won't harm the environment when disposed of properly. ABS stands for acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, which is also an oil-based thermoplastic polymer, but more rigid and durable compared to PLA. ABS filament is good for creating objects with strong mechanical properties that can withstand heat and chemicals. It is also a great choice for applications where strength and durability are important, like end-use tools, mechanical parts, and objects that will bear structural loads or will be handled frequently. When it comes to 3D printing, there are several advantages and disadvantages of using either PLA or ABS filament. Both materials have unique properties that make them suitable for different projects and applications. Let's take a look at some of the differences between PLA and ABS filaments. When it comes to ease of printing, PLA is generally easier to print compared to ABS. This is due to its low melting temperature and the fact that it does not require a heated bed for successful prints. On the other hand, ABS filament requires slightly more effort when printing due to its higher melting temperature, warping tendencies, and need for an enclosure. On the subject of strength, PLA filament is generally weaker than ABS. This makes it better suited for applications where detail and low stress are important, such as packaging materials or models. On the other hand, ABS is much stronger and can be used in applications where strength and durability are key factors like toys and moving parts. If you're looking for heat resistance, ABS is generally more resistant to higher temperatures compared to PLA. This makes ABS filament a better choice for applications where objects will be exposed to high temperatures for long periods of time. With surface finish in mind, PLA filament is generally smoother and shinier compared to ABS. This makes PLA a great choice for applications where aesthetics are important. On the other hand, ABS has a matte finish, which can be beneficial for parts that will receive more wear and tear. It can also be polished with acetone to create a smooth and glossy look. In conclusion, there are several advantages and disadvantages of using either PLA or ABS filament for 3D printing projects. While PLA is generally easier to print compared to ABS, it is usually weaker and has less heat resistance than ABS filaments. On the other hand, ABS is stronger and can be used more widely compared to PLA, but it is more difficult to print due to its higher melting temperature and warping tendencies. Ultimately, the type of filament chosen should be based on the specific project requirements in order to ensure a successful 3D print. For more on PLA and ABS, check us out at hatchbox3d.com or click on the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching and happy printing!